So hello everyone, and today I will be showing to you my output in software design, which is our task is to create an enrollment system, which is asking the user to input his or her personal information. So without further ado, let's go. No, let's start. So let me just I already opened my Visual Studio, so as you can see, this is my basic design. So to appreciate the beauty of my form, so let me just start it. So let's just wait. So let me just close this one. So is it. So as you can see, here in the text box ID number, so the user is encouraged to input his or her number. So let's try 21509. So that's it. So by the way, in this text box, I put a code that allows the user to input valid numbers only. So dili sa pwede mo input og mga letters. So let's try. I will try letter A, S. So I'm already typing letters here, so it won't show. Let's try also the symbols. Even symbols, dili siya. So only numbers. So let's try 21. So let's say that's his or her number. And then first name, so let's try let's put my name, Shadrach. So in here also I've put a code that allows valid letters only. So if I will type numbers, so numbers will not show in the text box, even symbols. So if I will try the app, so dili siya, only valid letters. Same goes with last name and middle name. So let's input last name, Almine Baliad. So in the gender button, in the gender I used another button, which is I think combo box. Yes, so the user will choose his or her gender, so male. So that's it. And then the birthday, I've used the the month. So in the Visual Basic there are different kinds of buttons, so I've chose this button, which is month. I think I forgot the name. So if I will click this one, it will just go with here. So let's try. So my birthday is in August. So let's try August 3. Yun. So that's it. The year is 1964. So let's try that one. And then age. So here I also put a code also that only validates maka-input lang og valid nga numbers. Same goes with the ID number. So age, so 21. Contact number, so 09. So this is just an example. So 24681. So that's contact number. And here in the email address, I put a code that only allows a valid email address. What does it mean? So if I will type, let's say that only. So as you can see, it's red, so it means it's not a valid email. So if I will put this one, so I've kumaga sa Bisaya pa nagbutang kog code nga mo basa lang siya if na ay at Gmail. So aron ma-identify nga kaning email is a valid email. So that's it. Course section. So here it is just an ordinary text box because course year and section. So let's check. Bachelor BSc-PE 3A. Place of birth. So as you can see, I press tab. So mag next siya if I press tab. Yun, so that's a code also. So place of birth, Hinanangan. Home address, Southern Leyte, Nilasta, California. California, and then current address, USA. Again, this is just an example of some details. And then mother's name, Marlisa Almine. Marlisa. So I forgot to put a code that allows space. So let's just as if nga Marlisa lang. And then father's name is Alan. Contact number, sample 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. And then occupation, government, employee, Action Star, OFW. And if I will click, and here also nagbutang po ko upload a picture. So if nagbutang po ko dire og button na mo browse, so it will just browse. So here I can say, let's say this one, voila. And if I will click save, it will say your data is saved. And then view data, so it will show here. So that's it. California, then my picture, so here. And if I will press delete, so by the way guys, so mo na siyang view data. So ang akong gi-integrate wala ako nagbutang sa another window, but same window lang siya. So let's try another data. So let me just delete this one. So yun, nakoy button na delete, nakoy button na save, nakoy button na view data. So I also nagbutang po ko og trappings. So if let's say Idira, and then if I will click save, so data must be filled na, so nasa error, and then after nasa yellow nga mugawas, so meaning kailangan ni ma-fill. So let's try ito po na i-fill. Guwapo, and I will click save, data must be filled, and then mo kuan gyapon siya. So that's just an some of my trappings nga mo show if dili ma-fill tanan nga input. So let's just complete this. So Almini, cute, guapo, age is 9, contact number 09 09 then address set B3A Belgium Belgium Japan. It's just a simple Russia. Mother's name Taylor, then father's name Tom, then occupation artist, let's try another picture. So picture, so by the way guys, ang picture niya is very kwan siya, di siya mabasa og dagko bitaw nga kuan, dagko nga resolution. So as soon as possible gyud mangita ra gyud ta og gamay-gamay ra. So kung if I will butang this, let's try another one na lang, medyo easy ra. So wala mo ko laing picture dire, lain man nila kung mga naong real. So ano lang sa download be, if naabay mga sa man eh, kana tayo kana sample lang na eh. So save, then view data. So yun, kita siya, the image here. So that's it. By the way, the code, so to explain the code, so let me just open my code and then close this one. So this is my code for sa numbers lang man siya. So yun, so I'm using dim registers, C type, and then digit, okay, since number naman, and then if letters, so letters po diriya, so that mura na siya murag kalahian sa iyang code. And then what else, this is the save code, so taas siya kay if I'm using if else, kay if dili ma-filled ang usa ka box, it will notify as error or katong na yellow bitaw. So that's it. And then view data, so here so I'm using data grid view. As you can see, this one I'm not yet integrating the SQL, so for now I'm using the data grid view. So as you can see, this is it. And that's it. And for the delete, so simple lang delete na code, you know. And then next one is the browse. So this is the code for browse. I'm using dim open file. So that's it. And yes, that would be all. So I hope you guys bear with me, and thank you for your time, and thanks for watching. Thank you.